The highly anticipated album King of the Dancehall by Dancehall's world boss Vybz Kartel is number 1 on the iTunes reggae chart and number 33 overall. It surpassed artists like Bob Marley, Ziggy Marley and Alkaline, amongst others. This was said to be a hardcore dancehall album, but it also showed Vybz Kartel's versatility by including touch of dance, EDM and pop fusion, which was tastefully done. As a true fan of dancehall and a fan of the artist, I gave Vybz Kartel the ultimate support. I actually put my money where my mouth is. I actually bought the album, therefore I could actually give a proud and a fair review. When reviewing a song or an album, the factors that are very important are originality, lyrical content, melody, rhythm and delivery. If I say a song is good, decent or excellent or it is a hit, it is based on those criteria. Song number 1, Color in This Life, is a song that was released a few days before the album was released to good reviews. This has a pop kind of feel to it, and again it shows the versatility of Vybz Kartel as an artist. While I have heard songs like this before from Vybz Kartel, it is not the best one, but it is a sleeper and could be a hit. Good lyrics, good melody, decent rhythm, excellent delivery. Song number 2, Every Girl, features Gaza Tusan. Gaza Tusan is one of Vybz Kartel's other prodigy, and he was also featured in Vybz Kartel's song The House of Bundung. This is a bona fide girl hit that will be sure to be an anthem in the dancehall and will summon the girls to the dance floor. Song number 3, Lipstick, is a typical Vybz Kartel folk song. This pushes the envelope on a topic that was once taboo in Jamaica, blowjob. It is a decent song, but I would not say it is a hit song, but it is decent for a Vybz Kartel standard. But I would never bet against a Vybz Kartel song. Song number 4, Fever, is a tried and proven hit song that is blowing up on social media with millions of views. This is probably the best song on the album. It is a dancehall girl bubbling song. Thanks to its sexy hit video that added to its fan base, it is an excellent song, lyrical, rhythm and delivery is sure shot. Hit, hit, hit. Song number 5, Can't Say No, features Moncherry. This is another Gaza artist that we've heard before in a few of Vybz Kartel's songs. This song has an EDM pop dancehall feel to it, and once again Vybz Kartel shows his versatility, and Moncherry proves that she can sing. This is another hit song, nice rhythm, good lyrics, great combination and an excellent delivery. Song number 6, Don't Know Someone, is about the complications of relationship, lies and deception. It is just an okay song to me, nothing special, decent lyrics, decent melody, decent rhythm, but for a Vybz Kartel song I was not very impressed. Song number 7, Hey Addy, is another hit song on this album. It is a song in which Vybz Kartel is going back and forth with a woman cussing, which also includes weird topics such as bleaching. I guess Vybz Kartel says that he is trying to be himself. This could be a bleachers anthem. It is a mix-up drama song with a 90s dancehall rhythm kind of feel to it, another possible hit. Song number 8, Open the Door, is one of the deeper songs on this album. It is one of those inspirational songs for a mama. It is talking about the struggles of coming up in life and finally achieving your dreams and aspirations. This to me again is a hit. I personally like deep song and this to me is that hit song for me. Number 9, Most Wanted, is the weed anthem on this album. It is a gun and hustler song. It is a typical Vybz Kartel badman song. The melody is on point, the rhythm is thumping, and Vybz Kartel shows his lyrical ability and why he's unrivaled as the king in dancehall. Song number 10, Enemy Zone, is a streetwise kind of song. It is telling you to be aware of your surroundings. Be cautious of the enemy zone. Be cautious of certain areas. Do not venture into the enemy territory. It quotes from a Gregory Isaac song, Meet Me at the Corner and Not on the Enemy Zone. This is another hit song and a street anthem. It is a true gangster Tupac kind of song. It speaks volumes to see DeMarco as one of the 3 artists featured on this album. 2 of them are Gaza artists. DeMarco made it on his own merits and delivery. Song number 12, Sorry Baby, has a no doubt hey baby reggae pop kind of feel to it. This is a subtle diss song aimed at the competition in general. This is a way different song from any other song on the album. And again, Vybz Kartel shows his versatility. This song has the potential to be a crossover hit single. Song number 13, Western Union, is one of those songs that we've heard already. It was released as one of the teaser songs and videos for the album. It is actually the continuation video for Fever. This video and song was a bit controversial and featured scamming, but the real message was hustling and what people do to survive. This is another possible street anthem and hit. Song number 14, With Friend, is a song that we can all relate to. It talks about fake friends and that you cannot trust them. It tells you to put family first and never put your trust into friends because history shows that they can and will betray you. Say what you want about Vybz Kartel, but when it touches on certain song topics, the message is clear and precise and connects to the core of reason. This for me is another hit song. When I do a review of a Vybz Kartel song or album, it's a little more complicated than other artists because Vybz Kartel has set the bar so high and the degree of difficulty is much higher. So it cannot be reviewed as an average standard but at a higher standard. I would say that this is a very good album and has lived up to the hype based on reasonable expectation. Is it his best songs ever? No. Will it be his best album ever? Probably not. but it is as good or better than anything else that is out there that is called dancehall. Therefore, it is the best representation of hardcore dancehall today. When I do a review, it is just my opinion. It is not the gospel. It is no better or worse than your opinion. I will not act like certain people who act like they are the authority on review, like someone died and left them that title. Always remember that self-praise is no recommendation, and if you have to constantly remind people of how great you are, maybe you are not as great as your ego fool you to be. Plus, stop regurgitating my videos to enhance yours. Since you are so great and have such a big ego, think for yourself and stop sounding like you're having writer's block. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.